हेलो बच्चों। आज हम लोग शुरू करने से पहले बात कर लें कि आप अच्छे हो ना। ये लॉकडाउन ठीक ठाक चल रहा है ना। सब कोई लॉकडाउन फॉलो कर रहे हो ना। हाँ, लॉकडाउन तो फॉलो करना ही है। और लॉकडाउन फॉलो करने के साथ साथ हमको हमारा होमवर्क, क्लास वर्क जितने भी मिल रहे होंगे आपको सारे भी पूरे करने हैं। चलो, हम लोगों ने पिछले दिन क्या क्या देखा था। हम लोग चैप्टर 1 रैशनल नंबर में थे। रैशनल नंबर में हम लोग रैशनल नंबर के प्रॉपर्टीज को देखा। प्रॉपर्टीज को देखने के बाद हम लोगों ने उसे रैशनल नंबर को नंबर लाइन पर कैसे प्रेजेंट करेंगे उसे देखा। अब हम लोग को ये देखने की बारी है कि रैशनल नंबर, दो रैशनल नंबर के बीच में कितने रैशनल नंबर लाई करते हैं, बिलोंग करते हैं। दैट मीन्स द रैशनल नंबर्स बिटवीन टू रैशनल नंबर्स। चलो फिर आज का क्लास हम लोग प्रारंभ करते हैं। नाउ let us start the rational numbers between two rational numbers. Before starting about the rational numbers, let us understand the natural number or integers between the integers. Here, suppose you have taken a number line, and on the number line you have 1 and 4. Between 1 and 4 there is integers 2 and 3. Then 2 and 3 are the integers between 1 and 4. But in case of the rational numbers, if you are taking two rational numbers, suppose again you have taken 1 and 4, and in between there is 2 and 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let us take very close interval G1 and 2. Then if you have 1 and you are multiplying 1 by 10 and dividing by 10, then it is equal to 10 by 10. And another number you have 2, multiply 2 by 10 and divided by also 10. It is equal to 20 by 10. In between these two you can take many numbers. Suppose 11 by 10, 12 by 10, 13 by 10, 14 by 10, like that, up to 19 by 10. That means you can say 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. How many numbers? 9 numbers you can take in between the numbers 1 and 2. But if anyone divides 1 and multiplies and divides 1 by 100, then it is 100 by 100. And another number that you have to multiply it by 100 and divided by 100, it becomes 200 by 100. Now in between 100 and 200 there is 100, 1, 102, 103, 104, like that you have 199. That means in every case from the first number divided by 100, divided by 100, divided by 100, divided by 100, divided by 100. This much numbers are there in between 1 and 2. Then from this we can conclude that in between two rational numbers there is uncountable, that means infinite number of rational numbers. That means we have seen in between two rational numbers, possible rational numbers are not defined. Uncountable number of rational numbers are there in between two given rational numbers. Now let us see the methods. How can you find the rational numbers between two rational numbers? I have taken three simple methods. That is, first method is, you can say, that is finding the mean or average method. Mean or average. That means if you have two rational numbers, first is A, it is A, and second is B, then in between these two rational numbers there is rational number A plus B divided by 2. This lies just in between the two given rational numbers. Here I have taken two numbers, that is, they are -2 and 0 on the number line. Last day we have seen the number line. Now in the very middle, like using the formula A plus B divided by 2, A is here, that is -2, and B equal to 0, that is -2 plus 0 divided by 2. Then you will get -1. You will get -1. -1 is the number that is in between -2 and 0. Let us find another number, second number, that lie in between -2 and -1. Then -2 plus -1 divided by 2, that is equal to -3 by 2. -3 by 2 lies in between these two numbers on the number line. And third number you have, that is -1, it is -1, and here it is 0. -1 plus 0 divided by 2 is -1 by 2. Then three rational numbers. First rational number is, that is -3 by 2. Second rational number is just -1, and third rational number is half. These are the three rational numbers. Third rational number is -half. Now you can say कि without saying like this, can you say कि -3 by 2, -1, can you write -2 by 2, and it is -1 by 2. Just I have changed this -1 as multiplying numerator and denominator by 2 to make the same denominator. Now here -3 by 2, -2 by 2, and -1 by 2. Like this you can find the three numbers at equal distances on the number line. by this method. Now, to find second method, to find the rational number between the given two numbers, we are using another method. Like when you have a room and you have three partitions, 1, 2, 3, and it is clear these three partitions makes a room into 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. That means 3 plus 1 equal to 4. If you need 4 rooms, then for that 3 partitions are required. Like that, here we have taken to find 3 rational numbers. We have to find how many rational numbers? 3 rational numbers. For 3 rational numbers, n equal to 3. Number of rational numbers you have to find in between the given number 3 by 5 and 4 by 5 is 3. Now, n plus 1, that means n is 3, then 3 plus 1 is 4. And here both the fractions, both the rational numbers having denominator 5. Having denominator 5. The denominators are equal. Denominators are equal. Now, it is just convert the rational numbers, given rational numbers, after multiplying by numerator and denominator 4. The equivalent rational number are 12 by 20 and 16 by 20. Both again having denominator same. Now you have given numbers 12 and 16. Can you write the numbers between 12 and 16? They are 13, 14 and 15. Then from this 13 by 20, from 14 by 20 and 15 by 20 are 3 rational numbers that you have to find in between given rational numbers. Now, let us take the third case. Third case is find the rational numbers between the rational numbers having different denominator. Here I have taken one example, that is 2 by 3 is the first rational number and second rational number is 4 by 5. You have to find 5 rational. How many rational numbers? 5 rational numbers in between the rational numbers. Now, first of all, these 2 rational numbers you have to convert like second method, that means of same denominator. To find the numbers in same denominator, first of all find the LCM of the denominators. 3 and 5 equal to 15. To get 15, first of all multiply the numerator and denominator of the first rational number 2 by 3 by 5. It is 10 by 15, and for second rational number 12 by 15. Then you have got 10 and 12. In between there is only one number 11, and we have to find 5 numbers in between. Now, similar to the method 2, here how many rational numbers you have to find? 5. Then n equal to 5, and n plus 1, 5 plus 1 equal to 6. Here you have to find 6 rooms from a room. For that, multiply numerator and denominator by 6 in both the numbers you have got. It is 60 by 90 for the first number, rational number, and for the second rational number, 72 by 90. Now, in between 60, there is 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, and the greater number, the given number is 72. There is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. But we have to find here, we have to write here only 5 rational numbers, only 5 rational numbers. Then I have taken only the even numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. To keep separation in between the rational numbers are equal. That is, the 5 rational numbers between the rational numbers 2 by 3 and 4 by 5 are 62 by 90, 64 by 90, 66 by 90, 68 by 90 and 70 by 90. These are 5 rational numbers. But you can write 61 by 90, 62 by 90, 63 by 90, 64 by 90. But you have to remember, you have to write only 5, not more than 5, because question asks for the 5 rational numbers in between the given rational number. Now, in the exercise, you have to use this third method to find the rational numbers between the given rational number. Now you can start to solve the questions from the exercise. Okay, students. Bye.